summer's here, and that means everyone wants to wear their sunglasses more often. For dry eye sufferers, it's really important to keep your eyes covered with sunshades when you're outdoors because they just feel a bit more sensitive. Now, next week we're going to talk more about sunglasses, but today I want to talk to you about your contact lenses because when you want to wear your sunglasses, a lot of times you need to have your contact lenses on. So summertime means more contact lens wear, and I wanted to go over the best contact lens cleaning solution that's on the market today. Hopefully you've all seen it and you've been using it. Now, it's an oldie but a goodie. It's been around a long time. My favorite is Clear Care, and the reason that I love it is it's a hydrogen peroxide-based solution, so it's completely preservative-free. It's a little bit more complicated to use than your one-step rinse and store solution that you're probably used to, so I'm going to go over exactly how you use it. So again, it is Clear Care. It's hydrogen peroxide-based, and it's simple to use as long as you follow the instructions. So here we go. Comes with a canister, and you take it off and take the contact lenses out of your eye. Put the contacts directly into the cage. So here on this side there's a little R at the bottom. You're going to just flip that open, pop the contact lens onto the button right there, and close the cage. Same thing for the left eye. There's an L. Pop it open, contact lens out, and put it right on. So now that the contact lenses are in the cage here, you're going to take your solution. This is Clear Care hydrogen peroxide based solution. This is ophthalmic grade hydrogen peroxide. So it's similar to the stuff in the brown bottle that you've always squirted on your cuts when you had a scraped knee or elbow or knee, but this is ophthalmic grade, so don't try to use the brown bottle in your contact lens case. So what you're going to do is take your case and squirt it for 5 seconds. You're just going to kind of hose it down for 5 seconds through the cage, kind of rinse off the contact lenses, and then you're going to fill this up to the line. There's a little line right there. Put the hydrogen peroxide in all the way up to the line, and then put the canister down. Now, something to note, this bottle has a red cap. Red means stop. So you never put this solution directly into your eye. It only goes into the canister. So you've put the solution in, filled it up to the line, put your contact lenses in. Note that there is a little disc at the bottom. This disc causes a chemical reaction between the hydrogen peroxide, which, remember back to chemistry class, H2O2, hydrogen peroxide, has a little reaction with the metallic disc, and a bunch of oxygen, or O, kind of bubbles out the top of the canister here. So as the oxygen is being released, it coats the contact lenses, and it's going to pull the dirt, the dust, the debris off of the contact lenses, all the proteins that you've put on it all day from your tears, and any bacteria. It's going to kill the bacteria and pull all of that off of the contact lens. So the reaction takes 6 hours to fully complete, and at the end of the 6 hours it'll go from hydrogen peroxide in the bottle to pure H2O, or water. After 6 hours you can put these contact lenses out of here, open up the cage, and you can put it directly into your eye. You do not, absolutely do not rinse with this. You can either go straight into your eye, or if you are so inclined, you feel like you need to rinse it with something, or you accidentally drop it on the countertop, I recommend you use a preservative-free or sterile saline solution. So don't go back to the multi-purpose cleaner that you've been using, like OptiFree or Clear Care, OptiFree or BioTrue, Renew, any of those ones, because they have preservatives in them. And we just completely cleaned your lenses preservative-free, so there's nothing extra that's going to irritate your eyes. So I want you to use a preservative-free sterile saline to rinse these lenses if they drop on the countertop. But basically, after 6 hours, you take them out of the canister and put them straight back into your eye that next morning, because you all remember the golden rule: you have to take your contact lenses out every single night. And this solution, by the way, is every single day. You can clean them with the Clear Care every day. You don't need to save this for a special occasion or only use it once a week or once a month. Absolutely can be used as a daily cleaner. So you will be back in your contact lenses. This makes the contact lenses cleaner, healthier, because we're removing those proteins and we're removing the preservatives from the solution, and it'll make your dry eyes happier so that you're able to wear your contact lenses longer and get back into your sunglasses. So I want everyone to enjoy this summer. Thanks for watching today. I'm Dr. T. You can find me online at pamterrio.com or in the office at Les Guy Specialists in Shreveport, Louisiana. Remember, don't let red, dry, scratchy eyes hold you back from doing the things you love. A customized treatment plan is the best way to alleviate your symptoms. So keep watching for more tips on how to make your dry eyes feel better. Can't wait to talk to you next week. Thanks again. Bye-bye.